Start by powering on your PlayStation 5 console. Make sure it's fully booted up and ready for setup. Navigate to the Settings menu on your PS5. Scroll down and select Network, then choose Settings, and finally Connect to Internet. In the connection options, select Wi-Fi to connect wirelessly instead of using a wired Ethernet connection. Your PS5 will scan for available networks. Look for and select your Xfinity Wi-Fi network, which typically appears as Xfinity, followed by some numbers. Enter the Wi-Fi password for your Xfinity network. You can find this on your router label or in your Xfinity account settings. Once connected, your PS5 should automatically get online. This quick setup gets you gaming in 2025 with Xfinity's enhanced Wi-Fi capabilities. For optimal PS5 performance, use the 5 GHz band instead of 2.4 GHz. The 5 GHz band provides faster speeds and experiences less interference from other devices. Make sure your Xfinity router broadcasts a 5 GHz band, typically labeled as Xfinity XXX-5G. If the 5 GHz band isn't enabled, use the Xfinity Wi-Fi app to turn it on, or contact support for assistance. Finally, position your PS5 closer to the router to ensure a strong 5 GHz signal for the best gaming experience. DNS settings can significantly impact your gaming performance by affecting how quickly your PS5 resolves website addresses. Xfinity's default DNS servers can sometimes be slower, leading to higher ping and lag in online games. To configure DNS on your PS5, navigate to Settings, then Network, Advanced Settings, and DNS. Set it to manual mode to enter custom DNS servers. Try Google Public DNS with primary server 88.8.8 and secondary 8844. This popular option often provides fast and reliable performance. Alternatively, use Cloudflare's DNS at 1.1.1, which is known for privacy and speed. By switching from Xfinity's default DNS to one of these alternatives, you bypass potentially slower servers, which can lead to faster DNS lookups, reduced ping, and less lag during online gaming. Xfinity may require login authentication. After entering your Wi-Fi password, a login portal might appear on your PS5 browser. Use the Xfinity Wi-Fi app or a linked device to approve via two-factor authentication. If login fails, restart both your PS5 and router or use the Add Device feature in the Wi-Fi app. If you experience connection problems with your PS5 on Xfinity Wi-Fi, start by running the console's built-in speed test. Next, check for firmware updates on both your PS5 and Xfinity router to ensure compatibility and performance. For the most stable connection, especially during gaming, use an Ethernet cable directly to the router. Xfinity has rolled out Wi-Fi 7, offering faster speeds and better multi-device handling for your PS5 and other devices. In 2025, most new Xfinity routers support Wi-Fi 7, potentially reducing latency to under 5 milliseconds for smoother gaming. Expect AI-driven optimizations to further improve network performance automatically, making connections smarter and more reliable. Security enhancements in 2025 bring WPA3 encryption as the standard for Xfinity Wi-Fi connections, providing stronger protection against unauthorized access. Future trends include zero-trust models, where devices are continuously verified, potentially requiring biometric authentication through the Xfinity Wi-Fi app. Prioritize security measures to protect your network and connected devices from potential threats. In summary, connecting your PS5 to Xfinity Wi-Fi in 2025 is fast and straightforward. Always prioritize the 5 GHz band, optimize your DNS settings, stay aware of Xfinity's two-factor authentication, and keep both your PS5 and router firmware updated. These optimizations will significantly reduce lag and deliver the ultimate gaming experience.